Hello everyone. I'm going to discuss about shift registers and their types. Now I'm going to introduce myself. I am A Satya Abhinay and I'm from ECA section bearing roll number 403. Now I will introduce you to the shift registers. Shift registers are sequential logic circuits that are widely used in digital systems. These are mainly used for data storage and data manipulation. So these shift registers play a very vital role in memory devices, data conversion, and etc. And these shift registers are classified into four types based on the input and output data. Those four types are serial input and serial out, serial in, parallel out, parallel in, serial out, and then parallel in, parallel out. These are the four types of shift registers. Now I'll explain each type and their working along with circuit diagrams. What is SISO? SISO stands for serial in and serial out. What does that mean? Data in this type of data registers, data is fed into the flip-flop serially, and the output will also be in serial. So these type of shift registers are used for delay elements and data transfer. As we see in the screen, this is the circuit diagram of the SISO shift register, and the working includes there will be only one input and there will be only one output in this type of shift registers. Each clock pulse shifts the data by one position only. For example, we can say to store the sequence 101, uh, by using this type of shift register, we can feed the bits one by one. Now, I will go to the second one, SIPO. SIPO stands for serial in and parallel out. What does this mean? In this type of shift registers, data enters serially and but the output will be in parallel. As, these type of shift registers are mainly used for serial to parallel conversions. Now, this is the circuit diagram of the serial in parallel out shift register, and below is the working of the serial in parallel out shift register. The working mainly includes the output comes in serially only, but the input will be parallel. After required clock pulses, all outputs reflect corresponding bits. So these are mainly used for working, uh, converting sensor data stream to 8-bit parallel format, and etc. etc. Now the next type is PISO. PISO stands for parallel in and serial out. These type of shift registers are mainly used for multiplying data bits parallel to serial data conversions. So in this, we will multiply data bits simultaneously and will be outputted one by one. As you see, this is the circuit diagram of the PISO shift register, and below is the working of it. Uh, the working includes that the data is loaded in parallel when load control is activated. And then with each clock pulse, data is shifted out serially. So the data will be uh, represented in the output serially, but the input will be uploaded parallelly. For example, sending 8-bit data as a serial stream is an example for the PISO shift register. Next, I will discuss about PIPO, which stands for parallel in and parallel out. In this type, both the input and output are in parallel only. The data is loaded and read in parallel all at once, no serial included. And these are used for temporary data storage for or transfer between buses. As we see, this is the circuit diagram of the PIPO, and below is the working of it. A PIPO shift register consists of multiple D flip-flops connected in parallel. See, as we see in this picture, there are four flip-flops connected in parallel. And coming to the parallel input, all data bits are applied simultaneously. And on the next active clock edge, each flip-flop stores its corresponding input bit. And when it comes to the output, it all output bits are available at the same flip-flop and will be displayed parallelly. So these are the classifications of the shift registers. Now I will discuss about the application of these shift registers. These mainly include these are mainly used for digital circuits, which includes data storage, data transferring, serial to parallel or parallel to serial conversions, time delays and sequence generations, etc. Now I'll conclude the session with some important points. Shift registers are essential building blocks in digital electronics, and different types of different types of shift registers serve different in purpose. So as we require different types of output, based on the requirement, we can use different types of shift registers. Understanding the working enables tackling advanced digital designing problems. So thank you for listening to me. Thank you.